All right, this is a 2007 BMW 750 Li. It was told to the shop it would not move for reverse. In fact, when you put it in gear, just go directly to neutral, wouldn't it? So, customer bought a transmission to put in. We took the pan down. We found out there's a lot of oil in the pan. I mean, not the pan, but the cover over here that was on the floor. And then Billy over here, he checked the fluid, found out it was 7 quarts low. We cleaned the pan out, brake cleaner, and here's what we saw leaking right there. And it wasn't leaking from the bolt because we cleaned that. It was leaking up in the corner up there. So this transmission was cracked. It was leaking there and running down. So this is the rear part of the pan, the rear part of the transmission. So Billy found another one right here, up here in the front, where it's leaking too. So it's leaking here and leaking up through here, coming right there. You see the fluid in the corner over there, from the right around there. They put a plastic pan on a BMW. Couldn't use an aluminum pan or a steel pan. Isn't that something? A BMW with a plastic pan, and Chevy's got steel pans. Now, the lesser cars, supposedly the lesser cars got the better pan, and the car that's most expensive got the cheap pan. What kind of sense does that make? So, we just want to see, we got a leak, we're going to get a whole pan. Now, this pan here has a filter that's built into it, so want to get here, might show you what that looks like. And then we're going to save him some money, because like I said, we took it for a ride and the ship's fine, so you don't have to worry about putting the transmission in.